Hi, everybody. We're here with Lesson 8 homework. I'm on page 37. This is the homework helper page. This is exactly the same thing we were doing yesterday, except that instead of using the place value discs, we're drawing the place value discs. So we're going to still continue to use the vertical form. And we're going to draw our discs. We will bundle up our group of 10 and move it over. And we'll show each of the steps. And then we will write it in the vertical form. So we can use a tape diagram. We can use number bonds. We can use other things. But for every single one, we are going to draw our place value discs and represent it in the vertical form. So it actually says solve vertically, draw and bundle place value discs on the place value chart. So our first number is 26. I'm going to show that. I need 1, 2 10s, and I need 6 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then here, I'm going to show my second number. 35 is 3 10s, 5. So I'm going to show 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Now I want to put that together. I have to start with my ones, and I can see that I have a group of 5 and a group of 5. So I'm going to make a bundle of 10 because 6 and 5 make 11. So I am grabbing all of that as my 10, and I'm bringing it over here, and I'm putting it down here by itself. And I have 1 left on that side. So I'm going to represent this vertically. 26 plus 35, and I had 11, which leaves me with the 1 1, and my bundled 10 I'm going to mark right there on the line, and then I'm just adding up my 10s. So I can add 2 and 3 is 5 and 1 more is 6, or I can see how many I have. But the answer is 61. That is the sum. Same thing here, 28 plus 14. I'm going to represent my first number, 28. That has 2 10s and 8 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My second number is 14, which is 1 10 and 4 1s. So I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now, if I take 2 of these up there, I have a 10. So I am going to bundle a group of 10 and move that down there. And here I have 2. So what we had was 10, 2, which is 12. So when I write this, 28 plus 14, when I write it vertically, I know that 8 and 4 is 12, which I'm going to show like this. That's the 2, and there's the 10. So now I'm going to add up all of my 10s, and it is 42. 28 plus 14 is 42. Here's our next one. 35 plus 27 How many tens do I need for my first number? 10, 20, 30, and how many ones? 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. 3 tens, 5 ones. My second number is 27, which is 2 tens, 7 ones. I can see right here, very obvious, my bundle of 10. I have a row of 5 and another row of 5 there. So there is my bundle of 10. Bring that over, make it a 10 unit. And 7 and 5 makes 12. So I have 2 left here. And when I bring that one over, we say 35 plus 27 is 12. And I'm going to add up the tens or just add up my digits here. 3 and 2 is 5 and 1 more is 6. Last one, 23 plus 46. My first number, 2 tens, 3. 1, 2, 3, 23. My second number is 46, or 4 tens, 6. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. So when I put those together, I don't quite get a 10. I have 6, 7, 8, 9. So I can't make a 10. 23 plus 46 is 69. I didn't make a new 10. I have 6, 7, 8, 9, and here I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Take a second if you need to catch up. I'm going to turn the page to page 40. One more of exactly the same, and then we have some word problems. So here we have 32 plus 59. My first number, I can say that as 32 or 3 tens 2. 1, 2, 3 tens. 1, 2 ones. My second number, 59, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. I only need one more here to make a 10. So I am going to bundle this group of 10 and move it over. 2 plus 9 makes 11, which is 10, 1. So I moved that 10 over and I have 1 left over here. All we need to do now is add together the tens. 32 plus 59. 2 and 9 is 11. There's the 1 that's left, and there's the 10 I moved over. So we're adding 3 and 5 and 1. You can count them up or add it here. 3 plus 5 plus 1 is 9. 32 plus 59 is 91. Let's take a look at our first word problem. 28 second grade students went on a field trip to the zoo. The other 24 second grade students stayed at school. How many second grade students are there in all? So I'm thinking of this as a number bond. I've got 28 who went on a field trip, and I've got 24 who stayed at school, and we need to know the whole. This plus this equals the whole. So I am going to add 28 plus 24 to find out how many second grade students in all. My first number is 28. That's 2 tens, 8. So I'm going to make 1, 2 tens, and I'm going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. My second number is 24, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I need to add these together. Can I make a 10? I need 2 more to make that 10, and then I'm going to bring it down over here as an extra. So 8 and 4 makes 12, which is 2 left over here and 1 moved across. So here's my 12, 2 left there and 1 moved across. Then all I have to do is add together my 10s. 2 plus 2 is 4, and 1 more is 52. So we've drawn our picture, we read carefully, we drew. All we have left to do is to write. There are 52 second grade students in all. So we did our RDW. We read, we drew, we wrote. Let's look at the last problem. Alice cut a 27 centimeter piece of ribbon and had 39 centimeters of ribbon left over. How much ribbon did Alice have at first? It's kind of an odd way of thinking about it. So let's think of this. Alice had this piece of ribbon. She cut 27 centimeters and she had 39 centimeters left. So we want to know what's the whole. Again, we're looking at 2 parts and we want the whole. So we are going to add 27 plus 39. The first number we're going to show is 27. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. The second number is 39, which is 3 tens, 9 ones. So we need 3 tens, 1, 2, 3 tens, and we need 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ones. 27 and 39. So I'm going to add starting with my ones. And here I have 9. I just need one more from up here to make a 10. So I'm actually going to bundle down here and move that over, compose it to make a 10. So 7 and 9 made 10 and 6. 10, 6 is 16. There's 6 left over here on the one side, and we've moved a 10 over. We're going to show that vertically. 16. There's the 6 that are left, and there's the 10, the 1 10 that we moved over there. Now we just need to add up our 10s. 2 and 3 is 5. One more is 6. So we read, we drew, and now we're going to write. First we wrote the equation. Now we're going to write our sentence. Alice had 66 centimeters of ribbon at first. So boys and girls, if you need to pause to catch up, go right ahead. But that's the end of today's homework. Nice job. We're working so hard. I'll see you next time.